Alright, so today I'm going to be making myself an indicator panel with this cheap indicator from eBay. Those are actually voltmeters. They show the voltage that's applied to both terminals. The first indicator panel that I made was actually this one for the control panel number 2. Those look great, but this one that I'm going to be making right now, it's for the control panel number 1 that's outside, so I decided to go with a red indicator that's brighter than the green one. So let's get started. First step was actually to divide the sections, 7 holes with approximately 40 millimeters in between. So now that I drilled those holes, we can use the hole saw and get ready for the indicator to actually fit in. After the hole saw, they fit like a glove. So 7 holes, 7 indicators, 1 for each channel of the controller. So 7 triacs, 7 indicators. And since we're talking about numbers, if you're gonna purchase this kind of indicators, make sure you buy a few extra because they're cheap, and well, they're Chinese, so they're not 100% reliable. So if you got one damage, or if it damages during the use time, you can always have a spare to actually replace it. Next step, I'm going to file down this wood and paint it so I can attach these definitely, and then I can do the wiring. One wire for neutral and the rest for live, so I can save on wiring there. Here I have the wood strip painted, ready for me to install the indicators. Got some mounting holes here, same on the other side. This will fix like this with a bolt and a nut on the other hand. One thing to be noticed is that I only use the rubber gasket. Goes in between the wood and the indicator. This thread nut, I really don't have use for it because the threads actually stop on the wood. They don't go any further. So, well, I don't need this. All I have to do now is thread those indicators here, and then wire like this, like I previously mentioned. The top wires are the hot, and the bottom, I'm not sure if you guys can see, but the bottom yellow is the common neutral. So once I have done those things, I'll have a nice indicator panel like this one. So here's the finished indicators panel. Let's do a quick test. All the leads are connected together, so you can do this. It's all lit. So yeah, they're not the most reliable indicator out there, but for the price you pay, well, they're goddamn awesome. The only one showing the actual voltage, the correct value, is the third one, 127 volts MRS. So there we have it. Now the wiring was done So this is the neutral. It's common for all the indicators. They're actually connected all together. So the orange jumper wires here are the common, the neutral, and the other wires are the hot, just like on this one right here. Now, next step, install this on the first control panel, and we'll be done. Okay, got the indicators panel installed, all connected. What a mess back here, but well, thanks to this guy, we can no longer see it. And this box here, it's actually located just a little bit on top of it. Lucky me, otherwise I would have some big issue installing this guy here. So time to flip the brake here, see what happens. Okay, system is powering up. There we go. Main circulation pump is on. We have water. Can do a quick test to see if the others are working. Let's set the automatic feeder. "60 seconds should be enough, and it should be this guy right here. There we go. Still on. All I have to do is actually make sure the other indicators are working. I got a positive feeling. There we go. So this is it for this update video. I'll be doing update on the plants and the fish after this one. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.